I started this membership to create a safe and nurturing space for women. I want women to be able to dive deeper into a holistic and more of an introspective journey towards their true beauty. And when I say true beauty extends way beyond how you look.
I think the coaching circles are the best. Michelle is really good at getting people unstuck.
This was the right approach for me at this time because I needed to step back and look at myself and see why I wasn't moving forward. And that's really been what's helping me to take better steps.
I don't think I have ever taken the time out to dream big like that. It's no holds barred, just whatever you can think of. And if you don't have your destination, how are you going to get there?
I described to Michelle that I really wanted to get some coaching individually just so I could find myself again.
And I think just because of Michelle's style and letting us feel safe, I was able to open up more and share.
Michelle, I just wanted to share how much I've enjoyed our evenings together.
Oh.
And tonight was the most impactful, knowing that, everything you covered and what you talk about is what you yourself have gone through and come to the other side, still growing, still learning.
Yeah.
But, that makes a big difference too.
That's what the work is about. It's a life of service. It's not about being a star, So, yeah, I love you, Michelle Phillips. Thank you so much.
I love you too.
Let's face it, life throws curveballs, and sometimes we just need a little bit of support to get through that hump.
Even if you're not stuck, it'll take you to a different level in your life regardless.
I love you, Michelle.